Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about a positive update that we have got from the IT industry. So TCS company is going to hire 40,000 freshers by the end of March 2025. So this is a very positive update that we have got from the IT industry, and especially TCS is one of the company in which they are going to have this kind of mass hiring. Now, before we go into these details, let me also tell you about one of our digital product that we have launched. So this is a package of all the testing interview questions, and the digital products package itself has been launched on the Topmate page. So if you can look into this package, so it contains 18 different products. It is about roles and responsibilities of the manual tester, testing interview questions, rest assured interview questions and answers, because API automation, rest assured, is very important. If you have that in your resume, if you have that in your profile, definitely your chances of getting hired, getting selected for the interviews would be increased. Then the automation testing interview questions, Apple test automation interview questions answers, EPAM, test plan, test strategy, then the how to explain Selenium test automation framework. Like this, you have 18 different products which are available in this particular package, and you can avail this package today at a very discounted rate of 10% off. So we have applied a coupon code of 10% on this particular package, and you can avail this at nearly 600 plus amount, which is, if you will club all these products together, so it would be somewhere around 800 to 1000. But today, since it's a coupon code applied and also it's a package, so there is a lot more discount that is available for this particular product. So you can avail this product today itself. Now coming back to the positive update which I was just sharing, so recently, this has been officially announced by the TCS company that they will be expanding their workforce. They will be setting a goal of onboarding 40,000 freshers by the end of March 2025. Now, not only this 40,000 freshers, but if you'll see in the TCS company, so last year in 2023, many of the people had resigned, many of the people had left the company. But what did they do is they came up with the collaboration way. They came up with no new and new roles which can be very much useful from the employee perspective and from the employer perspective as well. And they were able to retain the employees as well. Not only that, but the figures are very impressive. In the second quarter of the financial year, TCS has added already 5,500 plus employees, right? And the recent recruitment effort shows that the TCS return to workforce growth has also increased, and it the headcount which was continuing to decline since the previous quarters, that has also reduced, right? So now they are planning to grow their workforce in the year of 2025. So 2024, we are hardly left with last 2 months. And now if you see this positive news, so by March 2025, 40,000 freshers would be onboarded, right? It's not about just giving an offer letter or giving in a joining date. They are also speaking in terms of onboarding the employees. That is very significant, right? So the company has already welcomed more than 11,000 new associates during the first half of the financial year alone, right? And now further, they will be adding more and more people based on the talent pool, based on the requirements. So I'll also share with you the link. So you need to bookmark this particular link that is available on the TCS careers page, right? And in this, you would be able to see a lot of job opportunities maybe in the upcoming time, because as of now, this has not been updated, but soon it would be updated. And you can see over here, careers, you can get an idea of the openings in India location, America, Asia, Pacific. So all these location wise, they will be uploading the job opportunities wherein you can apply and you can start getting interviews. And apart from this, they are also having the freshers and the internships and all those things going on, right? So that is altogether a different thing, but this is also a huge announcement, a very positive update that we have got. So here you can see on their careers page, they have got two kinds of options. One is the option for entry level and internships. One is the option for lateral hiring, right? So if you click on apply button here, right, then you would be able to see the options for India, for Asia Pacific location that I just showed you. And that's how you can apply for all these positions, right? So this is a very good news from the TCS company. And I would really appreciate if you can get that package for yourself, because that package would be assisting you in clearing the software testing interviews. That package actually has 18 different products. If you sum the all the amount of those 18 products, it would be somewhere around 800 to 900. But today we are offering a discount, so you can avail it at the coupon code would be applied. So I'll be putting this link in the comment section of the video also. So you can apply that particular coupon code and you can avail that product at a discounted rate today itself, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.